then we're going to place our mat in the space. In this case, it's just a rectangle, but you'd be fitting it around the room, around the toilets, or any drains that the mat might wrap around. Then we're going to mark for our cold bleed where we're going to route out for that. We'll just use a Sharpie or some other pen and mark through around where the mat is thicker, where we're going to need to route. Then we also, at this point, will need to figure out where we're going to mount our thermistor for the thermostat. We want to come in under the edge of the mat and come in between the heat wires. So we'll just do something like that as a space where we're going to do that. Now we can move our mat out of the way and figure out where we're going to do our routed pocket. Then we're good to route. You want to do a depth of about 1/4 inch or so that you are able to fit that whole encapsulated joint for the cold bleed into the pocket.